关于私密整形，你最想了解的问题都在这里了。
I'm Dr. Varun Dikshit. I'm a cosmetic and plastic surgeon. I've been practicing in Mumbai since almost 15 years. My practice is genital cosmetic surgery both for men as well as for women. In female genital cosmetic surgery is a labia minoroplasty to reduce the size of the inner fold on the genital area. Seconded by a vaginal tightening procedure. The third thing would be a hymenoplasty, which is to create a hymenal membrane for revirgination of the patient. Circumcision can be called as a male genital cosmetic surgery, which is the most common thing that I do. Patients ask for the penile length to be increased. And the third thing would be a penile girth enhancement. Scientifically, there are certain criteria, कुछ guidelines हैं, औरतों के लिए mainly है. Don't ask me why. The specific criteria for aesthetic appearance of the female genital is that when the woman is standing, labia majora, that is the outer fold, should be covering the inner fold, that is the labia minora. So the main criteria for the men requirement is that they should be able to have sexual intercourse pain-free. Measurement wise, there is no scientific specific data. I think about 2.5 inches length should be there so as to have normal sexual intercourse. Quite often they do come with a particular number. But when I tell them that realistically we cannot achieve that, they have to be brought down to a realistic plane. 12 inch. On erection. 50% patients आते हैं cosmetic corrections के लिए and 50% आते हैं functional aspect के corrections के लिए. ड्यूरिंग सेक्शुअल इंटरकोर्स अगर लोग कहते हैं कि हम लोगों को उतना सेटिस्फैक्शन नहीं आ रहा है, उसके लिए कई वजह हो सकते हैं. द फिजिकल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ इट, लाइक इफ द वैजाइनल ट्रैक्ट इज वेरी लूज, इफ द पेशेंट हैज हैड मल्टीपल नॉर्मल डिलीवरीज, देन द वैजाइनल एरिया कैन बिकम वेरी लूज एंड दैट मे कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स कि जब वो लोग संबंध रखते हैं तो दे आर नॉट फीलिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ टाइटनेस. दैट will improve with a vaginal tightening procedure. Some patients, when they are also fat and the penis is almost like buried under the fat there, then some amount of lengthening will definitely help their sexual intercourse. Patients do come in multiple times for some surgeries. Some areas they need surgery, which will really make a difference, and some areas it's like marginal kind of benefit. But if they want it for whatever reasons, then I'm not sitting here to judge them. Almost like 20-25% patients को मैं खुद मना कर देता हूँ. I feel they are coming up with the wrong reasons for surgery. There are some female patients, they don't want to do this surgery, but उनके husband चाहते हैं कि ये करा लें. Those are patients which I'm not happy doing, because then they will not be happy with the process eventually. Yes, that is bound to happen. The only person who won't have complications is one who doesn't do surgeries. So if you're doing surgeries, you're bound to have problems and complications. And this is a very patient demand-oriented process. So there will definitely be unsatisfied souls about the whole thing. लोकेट करने में कोई हेल्प नहीं कर सकते हैं. साइंटिफिक लिटरेचर में जो है कि एक जी स्पॉट का टेंटेटिव ऐसे ये लोकेशन होना चाहिए, वो लोकेशन पे जी स्पॉट क्रिएट किया जा सकता है. We put in either some fillers or certain other things in there, वो जगह को और थोड़ा हाईलाइट करने के लिए, so that they can get that additional sensation in that area.